This is a tutorial for 8.2 in Go Math homework. The directions for number 1 say list the next 4 multiples of the fraction. Well, I know that 3/5 times 1 is 3/5. So 3/5 times 2 is 6/5. Write it down. Times 3 is 9/5, then 12/5, then 15/5. You'll notice that the numerators are all multiples of 3 and the denominators are all the same. They're 5. Okay, let's look at number 4. The directions say, let's underline the important parts of the direction. Write the product as the product of a whole number and a unit fraction. So we're going to have 2 steps. Okay, all right, here we go. So 5 times 2/5. We have times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5 is what? 10/3. Are we done? No, we haven't written it as the product of a whole number and a unit fraction. We've only done half of it. So we have to write the product is the answer when we multiply. Okay, what is our unit fraction going to be? Think and say. 1/3. And our whole number, what times 1/3 equals 10/3? 10. Okay, so now do we have the product of a whole number and a unit fraction? Yeah, we just had to take an extra step. Let's look at number 6. A group of 4 students is performing an experiment with salt. That sounds like us, huh? We've had experiments with salt. Each student must add 3/8 teaspoon of salt to a solution. So already I'm thinking in my head, how many boxes am I going to have? Well, it says I have 4 students. So how many boxes? 4. Okay, so I'm going to draw 4 boxes real quick. So are you. Okay, 4 students. Okay, each student must add 3/8 teaspoon. So what goes in each box? 3/8, 3/8, 3/8, 3/8. Okay. The group only has a 1/8 teaspoon measuring spoon. So how many times will the group need to use this measuring spoon? Well, first of all, we need to know how much salt we're going to have, right? So everyone, think of how much salt are we going to have? Can we count by a number? Yeah, what number should we count by? 3. So let's do that. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so that equals 12 what? 8. Okay, are we done? No, it wants to know how many times am I going to use that 1/8 teaspoon, right? So it helps to write that extra step. How many times am I going to use that 1/8 teaspoon? What is the answer? 12. Yeah, that's our whole number. So it's going to be equals 12 times. And let's box that so it's easy for you to correct. Okay, very good. Number 7, I'll just talk it through with you. It says, explain how to write 3 times 3/8 as the product of a whole number and a unit fraction. Okay, so just first of all, you need to find out what 3 times 3/8 is, right? And then you're going to take it that next step and find the product of a whole number and a unit fraction. You're going to do great.